Welcome to Venu Maths Academy. In this video series, discuss about 2D coordinate system, JEE Mains topic. Discuss about object type questions, level 1 pattern type. The question models distance between 2 points model problems and section formula point of trisection. In this video, discuss about distance between 2 points model problems and section formula point of trisection questions. Here, the first model of questions, distance between 2 points. First question, distance between 2 points 2 comma cot theta and 1 comma 0 is, here the 4 options are given. Let first point, let A equal to 2 comma cot theta, A equal to, B equal to 1 comma 0. Here to find distance between AB, distance between AB, the distance between 2 points, difference of x coordinate whole square plus difference of y coordinate whole square under root 2. Here square root of 2 minus 1 square 1, cot theta minus 0 whole square, cot square theta. In trigonometry, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is the identity. Cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Here 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Root of cosecant square theta, square root of cosecant square theta. Distance is always positive, but this is the trigonometry ratio. Trigonometry ratio positive in some quadrants, negative in some coordinates. Here in this question, there is no range about theta range. There is no about theta. Theta lies which quadrant? There is no given in this question. That's why this answer is square root of cosecant square theta is equal to mod cosecant theta. Mod means plus or minus. Mod cosecant theta. Mod cosecant theta. Question number 2. If pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi, then the distance between 2 points tan alpha comma 2 and 0 comma 1 is, here the 4 options are given. Here to observe that in quadrant system, this is 0 degree, this is 90 degree. In radians, pi by 2, 90 degree is equal to pi by 2. This is 180 degree. In radians, pi radians, this is pi radians. This is 270 degree, 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 radians. And this is 360 degree, 360 in radians, 2 pi radians. If alpha is the angle, this is Q1, first quadrant, 0 to 90 degree, 90 to 180 degree Q2, 180 to 270 degree Q3, 270 to 360 degree Q4. If alpha is the angle 0 less than alpha less than pi by 2, this belongs to Q1. This belongs to Q1. Pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi, this belongs to Q2. Pi less than alpha less than 3 pi by 2. Pi less than alpha less than 3 pi by 2, this belongs to Q3. 3 pi by 2 less than alpha less than 2 pi, this belongs to Q4. Here in this question, here alpha, this is the angle, alpha range is given, alpha lies in between which angle? 90 and 180. Here given pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi. That means alpha belongs to second quadrant, Q2. In second quadrant, sine cosecant is positive. Remaining trigonometry ratios negative. First point, let A equal to tan alpha comma 2, b equal to 0 comma 1. Let a equal to tan alpha comma 2, b equal to 0 comma 1. To find distance between AB, distance between AB, distance between AB, root of difference of x coordinate whole square, tan alpha minus 0 whole square, tan square alpha, tan square alpha, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1, 1 square 1. Here identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1 in trigonometry, identity. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Here tan square alpha plus 1 or 1 plus tan square alpha, that equal to secant square alpha. Square root of secant square alpha. The result is secant square alpha. Here the quadrant alpha belongs to Q2. In Q2, sine is positive, cosecant is positive, secant negative. Root secant square alpha means plus or minus secant alpha. Here alpha belongs to Q2, second quadrant. Then the result is minus secant alpha, minus secant alpha. In second quadrant, secant is negative, minus secant alpha. Third option is correct. Question number 3. The distance between 2 points 1 comma 1 and 2t square by 1 plus t square comma 1 minus t whole square by 1 plus t square is. Here the 4 options are given. First point, let a is equal to 1 comma 1, b is equal to 2t square by 1 plus t square comma 1 minus t whole square by 1 plus t square. Here to observe that you apply directly AB distance, answer is also, the result is also there. But here to take t value, to apply any real number, here t belongs to real number, let it be to take t equal to 0, 0, 1, 2, any number is take, but the AB distance result is correct. Suppose if t is equal to 0, if t is equal to 0, if t equal to 0, b equal to, apply in substitute t equal to 0, 2 into 0 square means 0, 2 into 0, 0, 0 by any number 0. Here t equal to 0, 1 minus 0, 1. Here t equal to 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 by 1, 1. The b point is 0 comma 1. To find distance between AB, distance between AB, distance between AB, root of 1 minus 0 whole square 1, 1 minus 0 whole square 1, 1 minus 1 0, 1 plus 0 1, 1 is the right answer, third option. Suppose if t is equal to 1 taken, the result is also the distance between AB equal to 1. Suppose if t is equal to 2 is taken, same result, the distance between AB is equal to 1. Here to take t belongs to any real number, the distance between AB is here equal to 1. Any real number is take, the distance between AB is equal to 1. Question number 4. The midpoints of the sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC are 3, 5, minus 3, 3. Then the length of the side BC is, here the 4 options are given. In this question, minus 3, minus 3. This is minus 3, minus 3, the point. Again, the question number 4. The midpoints of the sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC are 3, 5, minus 3, minus 3. Then the length of the side BC is, the 4 options are given. Okay, to observe that this is triangle ABC, Here the midpoint of the sides AB midpoint, let it be E. AB midpoint, let it be E. AC midpoint, let it be F. To join this EF. This EF line parallel to BC. Here to find the length of BC. Here one relation is geometry already discussed in intermediate. This one relation is there. This EF is parallel to BC. Here BC is equal to 2 times EF. 2 times EF. Let E equal to midpoint of AB. E equal to midpoint of AB given 3, 5 in question. Then AC midpoint, let it be F. F equal to midpoint of AC minus 3, minus 3. To find EF distance. EF distance, square root of 3 minus of minus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 square, 36. Here 5 minus of minus 3 plus 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 square, 64. 64 plus 36, 100. Root 100 equal to 10. In this question, to find length of side BC, here this line EF is parallel to BC. Length of side BC is equal to 2 times EF. Length of BC is equal to 2 into EF. Here EF equal to 10. 2 into 10, that is equal to length of side BC is equal to 20. Here the second option is correct. Question number 5. Distance between the points A cos theta plus 2 pi by 3, comma A sin theta plus 2 pi by 3. This is one point. And A cos theta plus pi by 3, comma A sin theta plus pi by 3. Here the 4 options are given. Here one concept is there. Capital A is equal to A cos alpha. This entire angle is alpha, comma A sin alpha. This entire angle is alpha. A sin alpha. And B is equal to A cos beta. A cos, this entire angle is beta, comma A sin beta. Then distance between AB equal to 2A sin of alpha minus beta by 2. Here let capital A equal to A cos of theta plus 2 pi by 3, comma A sin of theta plus 2 pi by 3. B equal to A cos of theta plus pi by 3, comma A sin of theta plus pi by 3. Here to apply this formula, the distance between AB, the length of AB equal to 2A sin of, this is alpha. Here alpha value is theta plus 2 pi by 3. Alpha equal to theta plus 2 pi by 3. A cos alpha, A sin alpha, this is alpha value. A cos beta, this is beta value. A sin beta, beta equal to theta plus pi by 3. 2A sin of alpha minus beta. Beta value multiply with minus theta minus pi by 3. Minus pi by 3 by 2. Here theta get cancelled. 2 pi by 3 in radius, this is 120 degree. Pi by 3, 60. Pi by 3 is equal to 60. 60 into 2, 120. Pi by 3 is equal to 60 degree. Here this is 120 degree, this is 60 degree. 120 degree minus 60 degree, 60 degree. 2A sin 60 degree by 2, cancelled 30 degree. 2A sin 30 degree. The sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2. 2A into 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. This result is A. Therefore, in fourth option, the distance between AB equal to A. Question number 6. If 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 5 are opposite corners of a square, then the length of its side is, here the four options are given. To observe that in this question, a square, this is the square, let ABCD is a square. In problem, opposite corners are given, that means diagonal endpoints. Here, the diagonal endpoints A and C are taken over R, B and D are taken, any one is taken. Here, opposite corner means diagonal endpoints. This is the diagonal endpoints are given. Here, first point, let capital A equal to 2 comma 1 and the other diagonal endpoint 2 comma 5. Here to find the side of the square. In square, 4 sides are equal. Let it the side of the square, let it be x. This is x. In square, the adjacent sides are perpendicular. This is a triangle ABC is right angle. Here to apply a Pythagoras theorem, side square plus side square equal to hypotenuse square, then find the x value. Here, opposite corner means diagonal endpoints. Let A is equal to 2 comma 1, B is equal to 2 comma 5. Here to find AB distance, square root of 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5 minus 4, minus 4 whole square, 16. Root 16 is equal to 4. Let x equal to side of square. By observing the diagram, side square plus side square, it x is side, AB side is x square, this BC side is also x square equal to AC square. This is other diagonal endpoint C. This is other diagonal endpoint is C. AB length is x square, AB square plus BC square, BC length is also x square and AC square. This is length of AC. X square plus x square, 2x square. AC square, AC is equal to 4. 4 square 16. 2 ones, 2 8s. X square equal to 8. X is equal to root 8. X equal to root 8, 2 root 2. 8 equal to 4 into 2. The root 4 value is 2, 2 root 2. The length of the side of the square is 2 root 2. Remember one point, if the opposite corners of the squares are given 2 comma 1, 2 comma 5 is the diagonals, endpoints of diagonals. Question number 7th. In this model, these are the model of questions, section formula and point of trisection. Question number 7. The point R 22 comma 23 divide the join of capital P equal to 7 comma 5 and Q externally in the ratio 3:5. Then Q coordinates. Here the four options are given. Here one concept already known in intermediate. If PQ the line segment, P and Q are the line segment. R divides externally. If PQ the line segment, R divides externally in the ratio m:n. The P coordinates P equal to x1 comma y1, Q is equal to x2 comma y2. The formula to find the capital R coordinates, mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Here one end of the line segment point is given, P equal to 7 comma 5. Other end coordinates does not given. This is Q is equal to x comma y. To find Q coordinates, P coordinates x1 comma y1, Q coordinates x2 comma y2. Here the divide coordinates is given, capital R equal to 22 comma 23. In this question, R divides PQ in the ratio 3:5, 3:5 externally. If externally is given, the formula is minus. Here to apply the values directly, R value, R equal to 22 comma 23 equal to, this is m equal to 3, n equal to 5. Apply the formula directly. mx2 3 into x2 x 3x mx2 minus nx1 5 into 7 35 minus 35 by m minus n 3 minus 5 minus 2 3 minus 5 minus 2. Next one my2 3 into y 3y my2 3 into y 3y minus ny1 5 into 5 25 5 into 5 25 by m minus n 3 minus 5 minus 2. Again I explain this step. Here to apply the formula, capital R divides PQ in the ratio 3:5 externally. The capital R coordinates given in question 22 comma 23 equal to apply the formula mx to m equal to 3 into in x to x 3x minus nx1 5 into 7 35 by 3 minus 5 equal to minus 2 comma my2 3 into y minus ny1 5 into 5 25 minus 25 by minus 2. First this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. This x coordinate is equal to 22. 3x minus 35 by minus 2 equal to 22. 3x minus 35 equal to cross multiply, minus 2 cross multiply, minus 2 into 22 minus 44. Here 3x equal to minus 35 becomes plus 35 minus 44 plus 35. Here subtract 14, here minus 14 5 subtract 5 9, this is value equal to 9. Here minus 9, 3x equal to minus 9, 3 ones 3 3, x equal to minus 3. Here to observe that option, minus 3 first option is there and second option is there. Only if one option, this is given 5, this option is given 5 comma minus 7, only one option is minus 3, this is the correct answer. Here minus 3 is there, first option and third option. Next to find the y value also, 3y minus 25 by minus 2 equal to 23. 3y minus 25 equal to, multiply with cross multiply, 23 minus 2 minus 46 3y equal to minus 46 minus 25 becomes plus 25. Here minus 46 plus 25 6 5 1 minus 4 to minus 21. 3y equal to minus 21, 3 ones 3 sevens, y equal to minus 7. Then q is equal to x comma y. Here the x value is minus 3, y value is minus 7. The correct option is third one, minus 3 comma minus 7 is the correct option. Question number 8. If the points capital A equal to small a comma b, small letters, b equal to minus a comma minus b, and p equal to a square comma ab are collinear, then the ratio in which p divides ab. Here the four options are given. Here this is ab line segment. Here p divides ab. This is a p divides ab. Capital A equal to a comma b. These coordinates x1 y1. capital B equal to minus A comma minus B. This coordinates x2, y2. Here P coordinates also given. P equal to A square comma AB. Divide coordinates represent x comma y. Divide coordinates represent x comma y. Here to find the ratio P divides AB. The ratio P divides AB, one formula, x1 minus x is to x minus x2. This is the formula. Here x1 equal to a x equal to a square, a minus a square is to x minus, here x equal to a square, x equal to a square, x2 is equal to minus a, minus minus plus a. Here a is the common. If a is common, 1 minus a is to, here also a is common, 1 plus a. A get cancelled. 1 minus a is to 1 plus a. 1 minus a is to 1 plus a. Here 1 is there. 1 minus a is to 1 plus a. The fourth option is right answer. 1 minus a is to 1 plus a. These are the problems on 2D coordinate system. Next video also discuss about objective type questions, level 1 pattern type questions. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. And also, if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section.